First, you would count the number of atoms. Since there's no number in front of the molecule, you would put a 1. So there would be 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, and then there would be 2 oxygen here, plus 1 oxygen here. So there would be 3 oxygen total on this side. Next, you want to balance the equation by getting the 2 and the 3 to be the same number. So the easiest way to do that will be to put a 2 here. So then this would be 4, and that would be 4. And then if you put a 2 here, this would become 4. So these two are even. And then this would become 2 from there plus 2 from this side and 2 from this side. So there would be 4. Then you would adjust the pictures. Just like the last one, you count your atoms first. So again, there's an imaginary 1 in front of each one. So there's 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen again and 2 oxygen. So then you would bring down the molecules, and now you would balance the equation. So you need to get the oxygen to be a 2. So you would put a 2 in front and make this a 4, and then this would be a 2. So those are balanced. Now you need to make this a 4. So you would add a 2 in front, and now this would be 4. So everything's balanced. Then you would bring down 1 more of each molecule. So first you count the atoms. So again, there would be a 1 in front of each because there's no coefficient. So it would be 1, 4, and 2. And then 1, 2, and 3 because there's another O over here plus the 2 that are already there. So first you would want to get the 3, or first you want to get the 4 and the 2 to be similar. So in order for that, this H needs to be a 2 or a 4, so you would add a coefficient of 2. So it would be 4 here and 4 there, then those are balanced. Then the O over here would be 2 plus the O over there. So 2 from this O, 2 from this oxygen, then this would be 4. So then in order to get this to be a 4, you would just put a 2 here. Then the oxygen would be 4 and 4. Hydrogen would be 4 and 4. And the carbon would both be 1. So you would bring the numbers down. So there's 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, finally you would count the atoms again. And there's a 1 in front because there's no other number. So the carbon level would be 3. Hydrogen would be 8. And oxygen would be 2. Over here, carbon would be 1. Oxygen would be 3 because there's 2 from this molecule and 1 from that molecule, and hydrogen would be 2. So first you want to get the carbon level on this side to be 3. So you would put a 3 in front of here. So the carbon would be 3 here, and the oxygen here would now be 6, which is closer to 8. Next you would put a 3 in front of the oxygen so that this would be 6. Then you would put a 2 here. Oh, this would still be 2, actually. It's this that would have been 6. So now those are even. Oh, no, it's not, because plus 2. So now that's 8. Okay, first of all, these were supposed to come down here. Maybe I can figure it out now. Okay, so let's erase all these and try this again. Okay, we'll just have to use a different color. So if we put, here, so this was a 2, this was a 2, and this was a 3. So if we put a 5 in front of the oxygen, then that would be 10, which because we had 8, that might work better. Then if we tried and put maybe a 3, there would be 3 carbons still. Or there would be 3 carbon and 6 oxygen. 6 oxygen plus the one over there, so 7 oxygen. And then maybe if we, would 4 work? 4 times 8. Then there would be 8, so those 2 will now measure. 3 and 3 work, and now putting a 4 to that would be 4 plus 6 equals 10, which matches to that. So there would be 5 of these, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 of these, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So the final answer would be 1 here, 5, 3, and 4.